Hey guys, Figurecraft here, and today we're going to be going over issue 129 again because unfortunately I have accidentally skipped a replacement part that was made for this issue, so yeah, there'll be a part 2 to 129 now, so that's my fault, but it happens. It's hard to keep up with all this stuff. But 129, and what you're going to need is basically kit 58, which is hatches. These are the replacement loading hatches for the back, for the aft well deck. So, what we're going to do first, we're going to flip this around. We're going to take off all of the old loading hatches on the back. Well, got it. There we go. I'm going to take these screws that I took out of the loading hatches, put them back into the part. If you're wondering about this little screwdriver that I'm using, you was basically sent this screwdriver in issue 2 of this build. This is the screwdriver that they sent you way back in Titanic issue 2. Very handy little screwdriver. Alright, so the loading hatches, this right here is what Agora and Hachette sent you. I just painted mine. The new loading hatches, which are in here, that we're going to be putting on. These are the new ones. You can see they've got that that railing that goes around them. Old versus the new. And they are flat at the top. They don't have this little design. That's one. Here is our second one. So that's the old compared to the new. So I'm going to put the old ones into this little box that they provided. And then I'm going to take my new ones and we're going to put them onto the ship. Now we got to be careful here too and not put one of them too far to the back, because there's going to be a bulkhead coming down here. So we got to figure out which one is which. This bigger one right here might be the one that goes back here. And then the smaller one is the one that goes right up here. Got it turned the wrong way. I think that's how they go. Yeah. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my super glue. I'm going to remove that from it. We're going to start back here in the back. And then this one, make sure that we get it right. Now I'm going to make sure that it stays straight and then that it's above those little latches right there. You want to make sure that it's forward of those, because like I said, the bulkhead that comes in here. That looks about right. So there's one on. So now we're going to get our other one. Grab our second loading hatch. And we're going to make sure to straighten it up. Line it with this one. Which looks about right. There we go. And there are the two new loading hatches on the back. So that's now all the loading hatches are now replaced on my model. For comparison wise, let me get these. The old loading hatches versus the new loading hatches. Let me try to put this up here. That way I can tilt. You can see that one's plain. That one's got the little railing details. Move this out of the way. You can see all those little railing details. So, yeah. But that's going to do it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all are doing safe during these troublesome times. And when I come back, we'll be going over some more Titanic upgrades. But until then, goodbye.